Hey, what's up guys? I have my 1989 BMW E30 here. I just changed the oil. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to reset the oil or inspection light on the dash. So as you know, these cars, they don't have OBD2 connections because being an older vehicle. So it has a much older type of system in it. So in order to jump it, there's this unit here. It has this cap on it. It's right by the oil dipstick. To remove that, and then I know it's kind of hard to see, sorry, but there's pin number 19 right here, or under my finger, this one, and then number 7 right here. What you want to do is grab a piece of wire, any wire, and you want to insert one end of it into number 7 and the other end into 19. Once you do that, you literally put it in like that, right? So it will sit like this. Let me go ahead and do that. This with one hand. Okay, so as you can see right there, it's pretty much being jumped. So now you're gonna go into your car. Let's see, let me grab my key really quick, see where I put it. Okay, so sorry about that. This area here, this is your oil reset light. So pretty much when it's green, that means it's when all these lights up green, that means that your oil is at its full life. So like pretty much like that's after a fresh oil change. Mine's probably like at yellow because I forgot to reset it last time, even though the oil wasn't that bad, but I changed mine every like 5,000 miles, max 6,000. So what you want to do, put your key, don't turn the car on, just put it on. Just like that. You see how it started at 1 and then it went all the way up to green. If your light is on, some cars it'll say inspection. All you do is do exactly what I just did. Wait a few seconds and the inspection light will come out. Will come off, sorry. So mine at this moment is reset. So now let's turn it off. Go back over here. Go back here, remove your cable, put this back on. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. And you're all done. Thank you guys for watching and hope this helps.